side posture, so lay on this side facing the window.
Okay.
I got you right here. Breathe in and let you get all the way, all the way. That was really great.
Yeah.
Big release. Let's go face down. That looks better.
Yeah.
That looks better. That looks better.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It doesn't catch. And then lift that right leg straight up. The right one.
Better.
Okay. Take a nice deep breath in. And I'm gonna rotate away. Drop.
Oh.
Solid. And relax. Don't help me. Even better.
That's what it feels from an occiput to be in line.
We're gonna get that after when you're on the other way. And bend your knees. Good. That was that one. All right.